Good morning. We have a family Christmas party today. As the kind of self-appointed host, I got up and got myself ready this morning. However, this is just not going to work. Missed my appointment because of sick kids. And you know, today was the only day open. We're gonna fix it. Oh, wow. Hi.
Yeah, she's cold out here today.
It's windy. I don't think I want to get out.
I wouldn't.
All right, well. Oh! We pulled me back. Took my breath away. Okay, well. Oh, hey, you boys didn't. Hey, boys. You didn't even say goodbye to me.
Wait.
Bye. Be really careful and safe.
Yeah, we will, dude.
Take your gloves. Get these gloves.
These are not ours.
Dude.
They're not Jackson's.
Okay. Bye, honey. Love you. The boys wanted to come with me to.
Stuff and then run downstairs.
Yeah, I was gonna drop the boys off here at the property so they could go sledding. It's windy. It is windy. Olivia's coming with me, which is really fun. Yikes. I hope they're okay. Did you say the heater's working, Joel?
Yeah, both heaters are working.
All right, so,
It's really warm.
you know, if all they do is sit in the basement and sit in front of the heater, so be it. All right, you guys probably cannot see this, but the kids are out trying to find their sleds. The wind took off with them, so they're like trudging up this hill to get their sled. Oh, that's amazing. I love it. They're gonna be so worn out by the time they come home. Ay. Well, I get my nails done today. Olivia.
So I gotta do the glue-on stuff.
Yeah, Olivia has to do glue-ons because of piano. I actually tried playing the piano and it's like you cannot. It's impossible.
So hard.
Anyway, so Olivia is going to do her nails over here while I get my nails done over here.
She was so mad.
Yeah, go grab
You got your hair cut! It looks so good! Is that for Ellie and Jared? Ellie looks so nice. You're here. Where's your oxygen?
Right here.
Should we put it on? Okay. And for Bonnie and Mark. Oh, it's so good to have you here. I love your sweater.
Something like that.
Looks good. Is it new?
Yeah.
It looks
Oh, yeah, it's showing my nail. Fingernail place.
Oh, your toenails?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get your toenails done? Me too.
Like twinners.
Let's see. Oh my heck. Would you look at that? Your toes look so nice.
Mindy did.
Did you go to the nail place and get it?
No, it's in my house.
They came to your house. Did you see Daddy? Who are you looking at?
The dog.
Oh, well, I'm not looking. Well, do you want to know why he's sneaking? Is because someone's in his spot.
Oh, well, let's. All of a sudden, I see a sad, sappy face, and I'm like, what's
He's
going on?
like,
He's
Mommy.
coming to tell on her.
Yeah.
Look at him just stay.
Yeah, he's
the
like,
best.
Yeah, he is.
Done.
All right, now you can go sit back down.
Copper place. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Good copper. Yep, when the program starts, you can do the piano. Emotions are running high. Things are being said about presents that
Shouldn't be.
are being regretted. And then I look in the kitchen. What were you saying?
I just asked Cooper, take a spanking or double it and give it to someone else.
And what did you choose? Nice, all right.
Olivia, take 2 spankings or double it and give it to someone else. Lucy, it's going to be a rough day for you.
I don't know, Linda's in there with foul language because of presents.
Take 4 or give it to someone else.
You can make houses out of this kind of cookie.
Gingerbread.
It's got to be 10 golden rings. 10 golden rings. If it's at Bonnie's house, it's 10 golden rings. Anybody else's house, it's not 10 golden rings.
What was the dozen I had to buy?
I think it's the first four.
I like this game.
10. What's 10? Okay, you guys have one chance to answer. What's it going to be?
10 golden rings.
Not 10 golden rings. I planted it. I'm sorry. I planted that.
Joel is in charge of the Dutch oven potatoes.
Oh, more than that?
Yeah.
Looking pretty good.
Yeah, you do.
Joel made the Dutch oven potatoes and the turkey carrots, and then we made a yummy dessert. We all pitched in this year. Usually my mom says, just come, I'll have everything ready. But we actually had to work this year.
Yeah, that wasn't fun.
Yeah, it makes you appreciate how hard. I know, it makes you appreciate all the work she did.
Doing another Christmas tree.
Step off.
We got a reindeer! Are you justifying? Are you making excuses?
I knew you were a lot of things. I didn't think a sore loser was one of them.
Yeah, sore loser. Ellie, turn to the side. Aww, so sweet.
And 38.
Oh, fish! Yeah, we got an off fish.
G, 54. We've got a lot of G's, haven't we?
Griffiths.
Show us what you got. He's gonna choose what he wants to choose. And if he wants that giant airheads, he's gonna choose the giant airheads, honey.
Let's pick out a prize, shall we?
Which one do you want? You tell Boston to go grab which one you want.
The blue one? They're gonna be really nice His arms like a refined scale. He knows it's
Oh, it's cute.
Stop that!
Choose wisely, Porter.
Oh, proud I feel like I'm like everybody. So, this is just a small gift, so sure.
I like you being the host. Well, and truth be told, I was like, Joel, we need to get something for the boys. And he's like, no, you already spent the budget.
Here we are, presentless.
Sorry. Hey, I'm presentless too.
I was like, let's get the present for each little kid. He's like, no, you're not the grandma. You're not. I'm like, I am getting my sisters a present.
I feel like I'm getting painted as the villain.
What is it already?
I'm not looking. I'm not looking, Sherry. Oh my gosh! I thought to myself, why was I on for Christmas?
I looked at your watch today.
I was like, what do I want? I'll get everybody to say.
Oh my
You're so cute.
So Joel, what are we getting?
The same thing I got. Disappointment.
All right, the boots are on. That means it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah.
You got lots of awesome presents tonight.
I'll see you tomorrow. On
I'll-
Saturday.
Yep, I'll see you on Saturday, okay?
I'm not on a stocking.
Yep, we will make sure you've got a stocking.
I like red.
You like the red stockings over there? Okay.
Right behind you.
See you on Saturday. Well, I think that was a successful family Christmas party.
Yeah.
Fun was had by all. Now we've reached the point of the party where the chaos of the kids is not fun anymore.
Where we start packing. Is Julie drinking out of a ladle?
Julie's drinking wassail out of a ladle. I think the party's over.
She's just getting started.
Yeah, Julie's just getting started apparently. What? Clara, what is that? Is that for me? I can't wait to read it. You have been my little sweet friend all night. Should I open that? Okay. Let's see. When did you make this?
Today.
Earlier today? Can I read it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Put it downstairs.
You learned how to spell my name, didn't you? Your mom. That's me.
Looks just like her.
Oh, why did you do that?
Is that yours?
Oh, I love that so much. I'm gonna keep it
Yeah, I did. I saw
forever.
you break it.
Oh, thank you. All right, well, that's how we're ending the vlog with me and my self-portrait for Clara. Thank you, sweetie. Yeah.